Table of contents and introduction. Introduce your informational writing piece. You will need a pencil, your writing journal, and an electronic device. What are we writing? Learning intention. Writers create a table of contents and introduce their informational writing piece. Success criteria. I will create a table of contents for my informational writing piece. I will use an attention grabber to write an introduction for my writing piece. Making a plan. Today I'm going to show you how to make a plan because it's important to stay focused when you begin the work of drafting your informational text. The plan that we are going to use is called a table of contents. Many times authors of informational text will use a table of contents to organize their information and help their readers locate the part they're looking for. You can see an example of this in A Piñata Fiesta by Adrian Garcia Montoya. Here's an example in A Piñata Festival by Adrian Garcia Montoya. Contents. Notice that here are her topics. Here's his topics right here and the page numbers. Now let me show you. Remember, the topic of my informational text is swimming, but I am zooming in on one thing I need, or things I need when I go swimming. I'm going to start my text with an introduction to my topic so that I can share my central idea or promise with the reader. That will be the first section of my table of contents. Table of contents, introduction. Next, I will have sections for each of the things I need when I go swimming. There will be a part about water, swimsuits, caps, and goggles. Now that I have down what I'm going to do or write about in order, I'm going to write about it. I can begin the work of drafting. My introduction might tell why I chose the topic, what I love about it, or how I know so much about it. It should also state my central idea. My central idea is that there are a few things that you need when you go swimming. So first, I have to choose an attention grabber. Remember, our attention grabbers, you may open with a question, open with a quotation mark, open with a riddle that makes the reader think, open with a personal experience, open with personal feelings, which is what I chose, open with a movement, open with a close-up of a character. In this case, we're not writing fiction, but if you were writing fiction. So I opened up with feelings, how I feel about swimming. Swimming is a lot of fun, and then I gave a fact. It is good exercise too. Swimming is a sport that doesn't need a bat, a ball, or a net. However, there are a few other things that you need when you go swimming. The rest of my informational text has to be about those things that you need when you go swimming. Now, let's look at your checklist for today. First, you're going to make a table of contents. Here's my table of contents. Then, you're going to choose an attention grabber for your introduction. I chose, again, to write about how I feel about swimming. There's my opinion. Swimming is a lot of fun, and then I have a fact. It is good exercise too. Swimming is a sport that doesn't need a ball, a bat, or a net. Then write your introduction that includes your attention grabber and central idea. It's your turn. Today, during independent writing, you're going to create a plan, which is your table of contents that's here, and you're going to write an introduction, which is here. Share your table of contents and introduction in the class discussion.